that stuff. Once I start opening my mouth, digging that hole.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Here's a little more rope.
Anyway,
In 1 mile. Exit right to exit 157, US 46 East, Garfield.
Hey. Get these down, please. Come on. Put these on the front. Can I put these on the front, please? Come on, these are hurting.
Me will always be together in my mind. If you missed any of today's show, you can, well done. You can listen back. You know how. Podcast's available. Really powerful one coming tomorrow. I have to tell you. And then, of course, later, as I've left on already, the show Billy Idol popping up. Download the official LBC app for free from your app store now. Tom Strawberry will be with you at 4, but now it's time for Sheila Folk.
Thank you for going a tiny bit late, because it means I'm not breaking an embargo when I tell you that the Prime Minister is about to speak. You do. The Prime Minister is due to speak sometime in the next hour or so we'll bring that.
Jesus Christ. What the fuck? Are you serious right now? I wasn't even speeding. Oh my goodness.
You okay?
Yeah, I wasn't even...
What the fuck are you doing? What do you mean? I don't know what the fuck he's doing. What are you doing?
Don't fucking do that ever again, you dumb fuck. You're a fucking piece of shit.
Dude, what the hell?
What happened?
He just threw trash in my fucking truck.
What'd you? What happened?
He just cut me off.
This motherfucking bird. You kidding me? Oh my god, it's gonna get hit. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. No. Hey. Crossfire, shit. Okay.
What are you doing? Oh my god, I just got into an accident. Yes, this person just turned and they... Oh my god.
I guess like one thing I've seen that was like notifications. Like so if you like think about like iOS devices or
Holy， 你看到了吗？
我看到了，不要乱变线哈。不要乱变线，对不对？
哎呀，装。
Shepherd, Fortune Auto Lab. Shepherd Auto. Auto.
Fish on, fish on.
Grab for westbound Auto, Shepherd.
It's okay, it's okay. We get out.
Good video. Yeah, good video.